In this tutorial I will show you how to create such creative iPhone 17 Pro product manipulation step by step in Adobe Photoshop. Copy these overall settings and create new document of 1080 by 1080 pixels. Press Ctrl+R to enable ruler. Left click and drag to add guides and center. Then from Fill or Adjustments select Gradient. Follow these steps as shown. From Basics select first option. Now add gradient colors. Copy these hex codes for gradient color. Make sure to place color as per location. Set the color midpoint as well. From Style select Radial. Keep scale to 130%. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy of Gradient Fill. Right-click on Layer and convert to Smart Object. Using Shift key squeeze the Gradient Fill to make a base. Select both the layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as Gradient Background. Then select Ellipse tool. Left-click and copy these sizes. Place it in center and using Alt key left-click and drag to make a copies of it. Select bottom ellipse and from Properties keep Fill to black color. Stroke will remain as none. Then select middle ellipse. Hold Alt key and down key to make 77 copies of it. Select 77th copy and scroll down. Then hold Shift key select first copy right-click and convert to Smart Object. Double-click on Layer to enable Layer Style. From Layer Style enable Gradient Overlay. Quickly copy these hex codes for gradient color. Set color midpoint as well. Copy these overall settings as well. Select top ellipse. Double-click to enable Layer Style. From Layer Style enable Gradient Overlay. Similarly copy these hex codes. Set the color midpoints. Copy these overall gradient overlay settings. Place the top ellipse above middle ellipse. Position all the ellipse accordingly as shown. Select bottom ellipse and change its opacity to 95%. And fill to 65%. Place it on the base of middle ellipse. Using Shift key, stretch and rotate it accordingly to create a drop shadow. Then from Filter select Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Rasterize shape layer. Set blur radius to 8.8 pixels. Make final adjustments. Select all 3 ellipse layers and group them. Name it as Podium. Then from File select Place Embedded to place iPhone image. To download these images, link is provided in description, check it out. Resize and place it accordingly. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Select bottom layer. Right-click and flip it vertically. Place it in image bottom. Add layer mask. Press Ctrl+I to inverse mask. From Podium, press Ctrl key and left-click on top ellipse to enable selection. Then select Brush tool. Make sure foreground color is white. Set the brush. Follow the process to create reflection effect. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Add new layer above reflection image layer and name it as shadow. Select Brush tool. Copy this brush setup. Make sure to select black color. Set the brush size and follow the process accordingly to create base shadow. After creating base shadow, set the fill to 75%. Then select all 3 layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as iPhone. Select Type tool. Left-click to place text. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Type Pro text here. Align and place it accordingly. Place text layer below iPhone group. From Blend mode, select Overlay. Keep opacity to 75%. And fill to 85%. Select top layer. Then from File, place spot image. Resize it using Alt key and place it accordingly on top. From blend mode select color dodge. Make final adjustments. Then select top layer and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E key to create merged layer. Name it as final. Lastly, from view select guides, then clear guides. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more related stuff like these. Don't forget to enable bell icon to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Also follow me on my social media handles to stay connected. Thank you.